Thank you so much for 30,000 subscribers. As a surprise for 30,000 subscribers, I will share 30 things about me that you probably didn't know yet.
I can choose which instrument I love more, piano or violin. Or maybe I like guitar the most. In Dublin's fair city, where the girls are so pretty, I first said I love reading books. I'm mostly eating vegan food. One of my little students asked me if that means that I'm just eating carrots all day. Yes, that's true. I just eat carrots.
Ik ben geboren en opgegroeid in Nederland. Gerade wohne ich aber in Berlin in Deutschland. And in my profession as a violin teacher, I speak English with my students. Ahora aprendo español. You could say that I love learning languages. I gave my first violin lesson when I was 15 years old. I write to-do lists every day. Yeah! Oh, don't worry, I do love you the most. I go to the gym 3 times a week. Once I was so impressed by a card trick that I practiced for 7 nights to replicate it. What is your absolute favorite composer? Mine is Chopin. A friend once inspired me to start writing a diary when I was 14 years old, and I never looked back since. My secret passion is for playing video games. I love plants. You can find me in the kitchen every day to make really delicious home-cooked meals. Right now I'm 26 years old. The Cold War ended in 1991. I studied my homework by writing songs. And I studied biology. I'm a minimalist, which basically means my living room looks like this. I was the only woman in my chess team. You can always make me enthusiastic by putting a good board game on the table.